Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry, and today we're going to be taking a look at the new Broan LP510R. This is a continuous run fan. It's basically a 2-speed fan, and the purpose of the video is to show you if you had a fan that only operated with one switch and you went and picked up this new low pro fan. There are ways you can wire it with one switch, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's get started. Okay, here we have sitting on my workbench is basically just a simulation of what a lot of people might have in their house, and is basically just an on-off switch. The new Broan LP510R, the correct way to use it if you want it to continuous speed is to have 2 switches, but obviously sometimes it's more work changing everything out and you just want an on-off fan. Well, this is how you're going to do it. So on a typical switch, you have power coming from your breaker box coming in, and this is your line coming off the switch and out of the switch box up to the unit. So you're going to have a white, a black, and a green wire coming off of your Romex. What you're going to do just to make this an on-off fan is you're going to hook white to white. You're going to hook the black and the brown from the unit to the black wire coming from your switch, and you're going to hook green to green. So green to green or green to bare, and that'll give you a continuous speed, the maximum speed, whatever you set this fan. That's another nice feature. This fan, you can select 50 CFM, 80 CFM, or 100 CFM just by flipping the dip switches on this unit. So if I were to turn the switch on now, this fan it'll hesitate a little bit. You see it? It's just communicating the DC motor, and that unit would run at whatever the max CFM you have selected. And that's all there is to it. Again, all you're going to do is, if you just have a black, white, and ground coming from your switch box, you're going to hook white to white, black and brown from the unit to your black wire. It could be a red wire depending on what you have there, and green to bare or green to green. And again, that's all there is to it. I sure hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.